GitHub Copilot is fully free for now, and GitHub officially announced that it is just fully free. Open a lot of opportunity for every developer. We'll install this and we will see how we can get real-time just code suggestion on our just VS Code. Okay, so first of all, if we see their plans, and they have included a new free plans, and it is just free for every code editor. Okay, and if we compare, they have just included a new free plans. So first we'll install this on VS Code. So you can install with this terminal, but we'll install it manually. Open your VS Code, go to this extension tab on the left side and search for GitHub Copilot and just install it. Okay, it will be installed. It was successfully installed. You can see GitHub Copilot icon is just showing right bottom corner. Just click on it and the status is ready, and GitHub Copilot short. You can manually set it with GitHub Copilot, and also you can disable completion. So if we need to check it, so how it's work, index .js and creating a new file in JavaScript. Just hit enter. I'll create this on VS Code, so it is already exists. So I'll create a new file, x2, and write anything else, whatever you want. Write like add is equals to. Okay, we're getting immediate suggestion. If we disable it, then we will not get suggestion. Okay, and if we just click here, click GitHub Copilot icon on the right bottom side and open completions panel. Okay, GitHub know what you are writing and what you need. Like suppose you need subtract, you need sub, you need multiply, you need division. So everything you will get suggestion based on the add. Okay, like you are adding, it seems you need subtract, multiply, division. So GitHub know what you are doing and what you need. And not only that, just write a comment. Okay, no only comment, const generate is strong. Okay, generate is strong password. Just write something, password length. Okay, just look at this. Just look at this. We are getting suggestion in real time. So not only JavaScript, you will get suggestion in everywhere in your code editor, in any language. Okay, so just go to extension, search for GitHub Copilot, install it, and maybe GitHub account is required. So you will sign up, and after that you will be able to use GitHub Copilot. Okay, so it is super duper easy. Okay, but when you get suggestion, if you not get your preferred suggestion, just write something in here, then you will get a suggestion on based on your. And if you need to accept this suggestion, just hit tab. Okay, just hit tab, then this suggestion will be accepted on your current file or on your current function. Okay, but if you not get your this suggestion is not suitable for you, just hit enter, then you will get new suggestion every time. Okay, just hit enter on your keyboard. With password length, just hit enter. Okay, just hit enter, then you will get suggestion. So you can try it. So this is GitHub Copilot, and it is fully free for now, and you can test it out. And I think it will be just open a lot of opportunity for developers. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.